People come to the SAFE Summit from all over the world. We've got over 30 countries represented here to learn from some of the most experts in the field. What they don't know is we learn as much from them as they learn from us. We're always continually improving the framework, improving what we know, and striving to do our best job for you, our SAFE customers and clients, our partners, our exhibitors, and all of the people who are on day-to-day embracing the change.
The SAFE Summit is a fantastic place to meet really great people who are really focused on making the world a better place.
Get the tools and the training and the techniques that you need in order to take your organization, your project, your whatever it is you're doing to a new level, truly a new level.
Engaging, it's massive, and it is an opportunity to be better at whatever you're doing in the Agile community.
An invaluable relationship that I don't ever want to lose or let go.
Optimistic, energizing, collaborative event to where you can come and learn from the best in the industry on how to implement SAFE.